Welcome back to my... Welcome back to my...
It's fire.
Das tut voll weh. Hello everyone and welcome back to my pumpkin. Today we will be doing another hair dyeing video. I'm kind of scared, but also I really want to do it. I know my hair is still blue. It's mostly white. That looks gorgeous. So I think my hair is ready for a change. I cut it off like a lot. I basically cut all of the blue off because I was sick of it. Today I want to film a my subscribers pick my hair color video. So it's your turn to fuck up my life. So my hair is very greasy, but I didn't want to wash it because I knew I was gonna dye it today. Alright peeps, so I'm gonna ask you guys on Instagram right now with this question feature right there, what hair color you want me to have. I literally have every fucking hair color you can imagine right here. Like everything. Oh, that looks like the same hair color.
So I've got silver, I've got lilac, I've got flamingo pink, I've got lavender, dark tulip, bright daffodil, tulip, and pastel pink.
I do not have black or brown hair color because I don't want to fuck up my life. I am willing to get my hair dyed like in every color, but not in black because I won't be able to go back to my light blonde hair color, which I really like. Why is there a Jew standing here? Very important setup tool.
Alright guys, it's time to fuck up my hair. No, I'm just kidding, please don't. In the next story, you're going to be able to choose my hair color. I'm going to ask you the question and you are allowed to put everything in you want.
In the next story... I think I need a filter. Okay, show me what you got, Instagram. Okay, so I'd say let's wait like 15 to 20 minutes and then I'll be looking at all of your answers. And I'm actually really nervous. I feel like you're gonna pick black or brown, but I'm sorry, I don't have that today. All right, see you guys in 20 minutes. All right, guys, I'm back. I just put some lip gloss on because my lips look crusty as fuck. And now we're gonna reveal the faking result. Sorry, I gotta get through my story. It's beautiful. Okay. White. Okay. Red, yellow, black, pink, pink or blue, pink. Waldgrün. Pink, purple. Dark gray, pink, rosa lila, Regenbogen. There's a lot of pink and like purple.
Yeah, pink, pink.
Pink, pink, pink. Okay, yeah. Rosa oder schwarz. Yeah, I don't do black, so fuck off. Rose, ombre. Oops.
Delete.
Delete everything.
Pink. Yeah, I think pink is the one.
I don't want to do pink.
It's so boring.
Yeah, boring. I want to keep the blue. Bye, video is over.
One side pink, one side blonde.
Like Taeyeon.
Read. What's that in? Read.
Red. Read. I actually see a lot of pink, pastel pink, and purple and pastel purple. There's like a lot of German answers, so you probably don't know what it means if you're not speaking German, but... Read. Read. So I guess that's yeah, that's a lot of answers. I don't know how I thought this would work if I could like look through all of these. I don't know where the beginning is.
Oh my god.
So there's like pink, pink.
I'm professional.
Ombre, black, pink, red. Pink, pink,
Baby
pink. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is, it looks like there's like a lot of pink and purple, so let's just do like a poll on pink and purple. That's so smart, isn't it?
That's pretty smart.
It's so clever. Alright guys, it looks like so far... Alright guys, it looks like so far pink and purple are like the most answers, you guys. So I'm gonna do a poll. Pick pink or purple. purple, bitch. Pink.
Or purple.
Purple. Purpula. Purpula. Okay. Let's do this. I choose you, Instagram. Yeah. So I actually got a result, which is not really a result. Thanks for nothing. So I asked you guys if you wanted pink or purple, and it actually ended up being 50-50. So I guess we're doing both. Let's do this shit.
Oh my god! It's a pumpkin! In a hood! Let's cut this bitch.
We don't have any like sweaters I could wear, so I'm gonna take off my demi merch. I don't want it to get dirty. By the way, this is my lovely assistant Cooper. Vincent is sick today. Little Red Riding Hood.
Riding more. Let's turn.
The plan for today is to put pink and purple on my head. Because you wanted it to be like this. Not my English. Hä? Ich habe doch noch Violet bestellt. Die haben mir zweimal Lilac geschickt. Okay, the problem is I ordered Violet and Lilac, but I got 2 lilacs. That's great. I know lilac is like a little bit purplish, but not like completely. So I'm thinking maybe I'll put pink on my head and then purple on the tips of my hair, or like lilac. I think I'm gonna mix the pink a little bit with some conditioner. Can you hold this? I love my assistant so much. So I think I'm gonna mix flamingo pink and tulip. That's pink. So we're currently at this color. I'm not a hair professional, let me tell you that. I'm not a hairdresser in any way, so if you're getting triggered by this applying method, then I'm sorry. Getting pink, bitch.
Wow.
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 Wow. I haven't had pink hair in such a long time, probably like 4 or 5 years. Okay, you guys, I'm realizing right now that I probably don't even have to put purple into the ends of my hair because they're blue like down here, and I already had like a blue ombre going on, and I think it's automatically and I think it's automatically gonna get purple down here because of the ombre I had before. Oh my god. Imagine I would have this haircut. Okay, next video I'm gonna shave my hair off. Is that how you dye your hair? That's mermaid hair. It's like purple, blue, pink. That's to all of my haters. Guck mal, mein Ohr. Mein linkes Ohr ist mein abstehendes Ohr.
Ist das andere nicht so?
Nee. Siehst du das? Das eine ist so runtergeknickt.
Oh, süß.
Dumbos in the house. Du weißt schon, dass ich damit früher übelste Komplexe hatte, ne? Ich habe nie Zöpfe getragen und nie Dutz und gar nichts, nie meine Haare hinters Ohr gemacht, weil ich fand, dass ich so krass Segelohren habe. Huste mir nicht in meine traurige Story, Alter. Ich huste auf deine Vergangenheit. I'm a unicorn, babe. This is what my life looks like on Instagram. This is my real life. Oh! Yeah, Coco Jumbo, yeah, and all your edges. All your perfect imperfections. Let's put some purple in. Ooh.
What's this? Wobbledy wobbledy wobble wobble wobble.
Achte drauf.
So DJ. Wiki. Jealousy.
Okay, guys, as you can hear, you really need to check out Cooper's music channel. So good. Alright guys, so we put in the colors. We put in pink, we put in purple or lilac because I don't have violet because Amazon fucked up. But I'm gonna let this sit for, I don't know, 15 minutes or something, and then I'll be right back with my hair freshly washed out, blown, and fucked up. We've decided while my hair color is soaking in, we want to dye Cooper's hair as well. We just want to be crazy, like totally crazy. And I said I've got like so many colors right here, and she's just gonna pick one color blindfolded. We're totally crazy.
I wanted this.
Are you sure? Sorry.
Oh. Oh my god. God. Oh. Twilight.
I love your hair. Sieht voll gut aus. Boah, meine Stimme, ey.
Alright, see you soon. Bye.
Cheers.
Who am I? Yeah, actually this is the result. I kind of love it. It's kind of a unicorn vibe. It's kind of uneven, especially at the back. But actually I really love it. It's such a nice change, and I'm kind of glad not to have blue hair for once. You did well, guys. Thank you for this. I thought you would do me dirty. I mean, some of you probably said green or blue camouflage or something, but I ignored it. And you also want to see Cobalt's hair? Da, 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 da. Ooh. I actually really love it. I didn't think it would look that good on her. I mean, not a lot of people can wear this specific color. You're special. We're two new people. Okay guys, that's actually it for this video. It kind of turned into we're just dyeing each other's hair video. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon Snap on
Snapchat.
and the Naomijon on
Whitey.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.